little pot like that, you know?
And the wading pool. And then another little waterfall. The bridge has to be put back on right there. This is where the koi are going to be. It's still kind of murky because the water just started running. It hasn't been filtered yet. And then the other waterfall with another. This will be a bridge too right there that they still have to put in. Pretty cool. Can't wait till it's all finished. And Jonathan, my grandson, gets to come play in it. And another little wading pool, just like a spot to sit right here. I love that they made it interactive, like you can get in it. And a little spot with a seat, put your feet in. Very cool.